to you today. So my name is Lacey Jane, and I am a certified emotion code practitioner. And so that is the part that I'm going to be talking to us today about. So what I bring to the table is I've been a wellness coach with My Brand Options Are Essential for the past 6 years. And here I use my experience and knowledge for nutrition and natural options, essential oils, things like that to help others regain their health naturally so they can be who they were created to be. This was a passion of mine because I had to do just that myself back in 2012. And that's what set me on this path of wanting to help others, is how hard it was to find help whenever I needed it. So I am also a certified coach through Eddie Via's coaching program. And I love to use this as a foundation of my coaching because I use this to help clients improve their life by living in their strengths. We do a lot of strengths focused work with that. Like I said, I'm a certified emotion code practitioner. This is an energy healing modality that we'll be using today that allows us to release the negative energy that is trapped emotions, release this from our body because it can cause us dis-ease, right? So basically, it's a way to actually get rid of that emotional baggage that we all have, whether we want to admit it or not. And what I found was it's really hard for anyone to live the way they're created to live in their strengths, and simultaneously carry around all this emotional baggage, right? So we've acquired this from all the years of living in a way that we weren't meant to, right? So this could look like pressures from other people. This could look like living up to expectations. This could look like striving for a goal that maybe wasn't ours. Whatever that could look like, it can add up, okay? So for me, combining my original holistic coaching with emotion code and strengths coaching is the same combination that I like to share with anybody who will listen. So while I was navigating my crazy, amazing path to self-realization, my friend Katrin was on her own journey, and I'm going to let her tell you a little bit more about that.
Thanks, Lacey. So I started my career 17 years ago, actually, as an environmental engineer. I wanted to create a cleaner and healthier planet, and I thought, I'm going to change the world. So that's what I started out to do and worked very hard to do it. But it turns out that saving the earth is a little bit easier on cartoons like Captain Planet and Fern Gully. Those of us who are, born in the 80s might remember those cartoons. So I realized that to make the change that I wanted to see, I needed to start with me and look inward. Gandhi kind of knows what he was talking about when he made that quote. So I started to search for different things and find what was going to be the best help for me. And I was introduced to a coaching style called subconscious release technique, or SRT. And when I was able to see the profound effect that SRT had on my own life, I knew that this was really my true purpose. It was like all the work that I'd ever done in my career, all of my strengths, my gifts, experiences, all of that had coalesced and come together for the perfect profession for me. So through SRT, I guide my clients to rewrite the stories and self-sabotaging thought patterns that are holding them back in life. The most important thing that I have learned through coaching and using SRT is that we are all on our own journey. And during that journey, we need different things at different times. Lacey and I have been friends for almost 2 decades and have been sharing all along as we've been going along and growing in our own ways. And so when we learned our different techniques, we started sharing them with each other. And what we discovered is while they were great on their own, they were so much more powerful when they could be combined together. So that's when we came together to create this company, and that's how Journey to Cloud9 was born. It was all about the powerful synergy that could come together, and we have our desire and heart to share this with others, and we're glad that you are here to learn and benefit from it.